Okay, I hope guys you read this risk disclosure disclaimer. Vic is here.
Welcome to the show. You got a lot of good stuff going on.
I guess Vic just woke up. All right, please read. Trading any financial instruments very dangerous. Just trade with the money you can afford to lose. All right, be careful out there. So you had enough time to read. If you didn't, stop the video and read it. Let's go on a daily chart. Okay, we are hitting this bottom yellow line from this band, and we just cannot get through. We cannot close the day at least above that. It's pushing us, so that's except today for last 4 days. We hit this line and we just bounce back. Hit the line, bounce back. Plus this green bar hit that upper line of this band and stopped. But right now we're hitting the upper line of this white support zone, and we bounce back a little bit. So we'll see what's going to be when they open now. Okay, there's a big resistance at around 8470s, 80s, 8500. So we'll see if they decide to turn around today. So we'll see where we're gonna go there. Let's take a look on a 2-minute chart overnight. It's just a down, as you can see. But they tried already 4 times, 5, 6 times to get above this resistance zone. So this would be 7th time. Every time they try to get above, they just pull back. This is on ES. All right, the market is open. And here's Nasdaq. We're trying to get above 2. So let's take a look what they're going to decide this morning.
I should have sold it, man.
No, leave it. Okay, you're alive there.
Yeah. So I'm in JJ right now. We got in yesterday at 132. Then I managed it down to 130, 131. And then market's open right now and it's in a free fall, but right now all you have to do is just manage your trade.
Okay, but that's J&J, so you're not in a losing position, but that's J&J, it's fine. Dropping down. But you'll manage, you'll be fine. Okay, Nasdaq is trying to go long. Let's go make a buy on ES.
Order filled.
Okay, we went in ES 24.79, we went long. 24.79, that's long. Alright, target zone would be
Order submitted.
24.88. So that would be like a 9 points if it goes our way. Alright, Nasdaq is doing everything to go long.
Nice ringtone.
Yeah, it's like original from the phone. Let's go try buy some on
Order
Nasdaq too.
filled.
and we are long at 75.97.5, and we'll make on a yellow line which is 76.10.5. Target. So let's take a look. For a moment we were in both positive but turned against us. So we'll just be a little bit patient. Alright, there's a nice support on upper magenta at that line, which is 75.85. So they're making support for now there. On the Nasdaq, on this big bar like this, is just a normal to some pullback when you have such a big bar, 2 minutes bar. But still, like this one to close in green. That'd be a good sign for long. And they're having trouble on that. If they fail there, it's going to be going down. So let's just take a see what's going on. EMA 8 is acting as a support. Okay, that's a good signal there, good sign. Alright, that's a good. Alright, there's Nasdaq hit us with 235 points. Alright, we had to wait a little bit this morning.
How much did you tie up?
Or just one contract, that's what, $1,000. And then here's ES is coming too. ES is 24.88 target. Alright, there it is. So it's 600 points even. 2 trades. Which could be done already. Couple trades and done. Okay, same like yesterday. Nasdaq can go long. ES still has a lot of run to go all the way to maybe 2,500, and then would be in overbought zone, both of them, Nasdaq and ES. So we could expect then some pullback, but for now still. So watching that one, around 2,500, 24.99, 2,500 on ES. And Nasdaq is already in the overbought zone, but we're waiting for ES to come there too. Or J&J is coming back big time too.
Yeah, right now the price is $126.95. So my price loss for the day is $1,500. We're
That's
just
for
gonna,
now, yeah.
yeah, we're just gonna manage it and then
Yeah.
let it come back up.
Yeah, that's a J&J.
But J&J it's more resistant stock. So the Dow was down 3%, 4%, and then J&J for a while was down only 2%, and then for a while only 1% really. So it's not down as much as other companies right now.
That was a nice pullback there. Okay. I think we can make another trade on ES.
Order filled.
So we are in at 2488.75, and we'll just this time go a few less ticks.
Order submitted.
2495.25, so 24.95 and a quarter. That's where the target price is. And we are in 2488.75. Just because this upper line of this resistance zone is acting as now as a support for now, so, but that could turn very quickly around. Plus this was a big bar, there could be some pullback. EMA 8 is far away, but we'll just be patient, go with our price, and I know I'll make few ticks. That's a nice pullback.
Yeah, so it's trying to, J&J's trying to get back up to the 200. Of course, the news that came out overnight was not good. At the end of the day yesterday.
Okay, Trump is, I was reading this morning, asking for $2 trillion in, for infrastructure. That's what I was reading earlier. Alright, watch out, there's EMA 8, they're hitting and they're bouncing back. Same on Nasdaq and ES. That's what I was reading a little bit earlier, that they were asking for, Trump was asking for $2 trillion in, for infrastructure.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be another $2 trillion. And here, that's what Treasury Secretary Mnuchin says. He's having ongoing discussion about infrastructure. So Dow is down 700. S&P 87. And Nasdaq is 209. VIX is up 2.95, almost 5.5%,
Mm-hmm.
to 56.44, which don't like to see that. I like to see VIX just coming down. I watched that one on VIX. When market drops down and VIX is just down too, and you know it's just not a big thing. Alright, there we are in some profit on ES.
How much do you have to tie up?
Or just the one contract's $1,000, and we're already making over 100, so we're already making 10%. I think we can raise our target a little bit higher to 24.97 1/4. I'll just leave to the upper part of this green zone, on top of the green zone. And I can always come market price. I mean, just close it if I want to.
Excuse me.
JJ, pull it back.
Yeah, slowly.
Alright, so I see yes.
Allergies.
Alright, well, what's Nasdaq doing? Let's see, Nasdaq. We got two good trades. Nasdaq has support on EMA 8. And that's at 7,600, around there, that's support. Okay, for whatever reason, they just cannot go along. They're just holding there. So I may just come out with a few ticks in profit. If they continue like this, I'm not gonna wait for much longer. I don't wanna be then. There's no need to go and manage your price all the way down. You come and exit. I'll let them see. Let's see with this bar. If it's taking too long, then just I'll exit with some profit and that's it. For a moment it looks like this is just another top on this upper line of this magenta zone. And you can see over here where always resistance comes there and pulls back and stayed all night, stayed under. So maybe trying to make a support on a 20. It's a simple move. This red line is simple moving average 20. So we'll see. I'll just be patient. Okay, market's turning around again, so we'll just come out, I guess. Just taking too much time and look for another trade. Let's see where this bar is gonna close. Maybe there's another 40 seconds. They're setting up for long. This is for long setup. EMA 8 is above SMA 20. Nice bottom on the 20. They want to go over this resistance zone, but having trouble. Okay, it's taking too much time. We'll just get a few ticks. That's what I'm gonna do. Even if it go to the sky, I don't care. The price after I get out, I'll just pull out a few ticks and then we'll look for a new trade. They bounce you from EMA 8. Okay. Doing this just because it's taking so much time for price to make up its mind. And we are in this zone for last 18 minutes.
Order
Alright,
filled.
so we got another 110 points. So I don't care if the price goes all the way here. I don't care right now. I'll just look for a. If I wanna buy, I think it's gonna go long. I'll buy it at EMA 8. Looks like that's what they're touching this morning and going from there. So if they pull an EMA 8, I'll just buy there, just buy market. And I have a 1 bar. It's doing
The daily here. Just trying to see where it's gonna go.
well, that's all the stuff. It's going back to 200. Is that daily?
Yeah, no, it's the 2 minute.
Oh, that's coming. Okay, look, there's a setup to go long. Back to what's the price there?
129.
129. Okay.
So it's up a buck
Okay.
under.
I'm buying at
Order filled.
there's EMA 8, so that's 2487.75, and then we'll just put at 24.95 target for now price
Order submitted.
for now, but I can move it. Let's take a look. Nasdaq is doing same, just got stuck in this area, so either they're gonna break out and go long big time or down. They're not gonna be in this for much longer. Alright, this would be nice setup for break long. If they can go over this red bar. And it's a both on ES and Nasdaq. If they can break above this, that would be nice run. That's why I'm moving my target. 2500. So let's see. Okay, what's CNBC saying?
Well, they're on the phone with Citibank right now.
Yeah.
So Dow's down 3%.
Oh, it's going up 677.
Yeah,
It's it was what
It was down.
800.
yeah.
Okay, what's J&J doing?
J&J, it's coming back up.
Okay, it's setting up itself to go to 129.
Mm-hmm.
129. That's 87.
129.87. Yeah.
So that's 130.
Probably 129.5 because it's on the trend line is down.
Okay.
But just a good lesson.
How much is now?
128.03.
So for a couple of bucks.
Yeah. But it's a good lesson not to hold your shares overnight if you're day trading.
Okay, Nasdaq is trying to develop a green bar there and go long. ES didn't make it. That's a weakness. But Nasdaq developed green bar but still couldn't go over this red one, so that's a weakness too. Doesn't mean that it won't continue. May just bounce from this area here, 75, 90s and just go long, but don't like what I see. This green bar didn't go over a red one. Usually there's some kind of weakness there. Same for ES. So we'll just lower our target again and see if we can get few ticks. We are still doing great, 710 points for 30 minutes of trading.
How much money did you have to tie up?
Just $1,000 every time. Just
Pretty
one
good.
contract for now, yeah. Alright, there's not much auction this morning.
John Ledger is out as T-Mobile CEO. Now it's the Sprint CEO.
Also, Sprint and the
T-Mobile.
merging.
They already did it.
Oh, they did it?
They've been trying to for a long time, but no one would allow it. Look at that.
Yeah. J&J
That's T-Mobile.
or T-Mobile?
They're setting up
Yeah. How much are they?
$84.
Order filled.
Alright, there we made just a couple of ticks. Something happened there that market reacted to 9 o'clock. Whatever was news. How much you said? 60?
It's $84.
Oh, 84.
T-Mobile. That's a good buy.
Yeah, they're setting up to long.
And it was at 86 earlier this morning, so right now it's gonna go up and beyond that.
Alright, so whatever there was a news, some news. Again, they're bouncing from SMA 20. That's a support for now.
I just bought 50 T-Mobile.
What price?
At 84.58.
Okay, I'll just buy
Order
ES. I got that 2485.5, and I'll just go to upper zone here as a target.
Order submitted.
2488.75. So let's see if we can get a few extra ticks. On Nasdaq we are long. We are above this support and resistance zone. This magenta color. As you can see, MA8. It's above. This should be acting here as a support now. Used to be resistance. This is what I like to do. Make it resistance, they go above and pull back, make it as a support. So, but the ES is still on the going down. It's on a short side, didn't make above. So since we are saying the Nasdaq is above and it's right there,
Order filled.
we'll just get the contract at 75.77 and a quarter. We'll go to this upper zone,
Order
which is
submitted.
75.88 and a quarter. Alright, looks yesterday was everything good, going good, and this morning it looks like ES is just going against us every trade, so we can just make few ticks, except the first one. So we'll just be patient again. If Nasdaq makes a good move, ES is gonna make it too. ES is still long, looking at EMA8 and SMA20. Still long, so. On a daily chart, as you can see, we didn't go lower than this white upper line of this support zone, which is 75.33. Okay, Nasdaq just hit EMA8 and then pull back again. Wouldn't go further. So I may just, let me see. If it doesn't want to go, I'll just close it manually. Oh, almost there, almost. Okay, I don't like this on ES. Made a green bar and now it wants to go under that green bar. I don't like that. And you can see we were nicely in Nasdaq, now we are under. It's okay, we'll just manage. What's JJ doing?
It's coming back down.
pullback with the market.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's setting up itself. That's J&J.
Yeah.
That's see, went above and now it's the 20.
Yeah.
So it's setting up itself. And there's the markets too. They're turning. Okay, so we'll just move our target now to EMA 8 and
Order
right there
filled.
get extra few ticks just because it's taking so long to make let's help ES.
Order filled.
Let's help ES there
Order submitted.
if you can make it, just because I don't like what I'm seeing over here. Unless they quickly turn and green goes above this red one, that'll be a good sign. Alright, that's a good sign right there, good move.
Order filled.
And we're out. So far so good, 907 points. Which one is that?
Sprint.
A Sprint?
Yeah, but they're
They don't
done.
trade a lot. How much are they?
Like $8.
Oh, they don't trade a lot.
T-Mobile's good. So I'm up $9 on that one.
Alright.
It was a good setup.
Yeah. Oh, it's a great setup. It's a great setup on T-Mobile. So great. Okay, we'll be careful here on the ES a little bit. We want a bar to close above this upper line. Just like Nasdaq did, good sign to go long. Well, when I'm saying that, why don't we get to
Order
one?
filled.
At 76.04 and a quarter, 0.5 actually. We'll make target at
Order submitted.
76.22.50. So we will make like 19 points there. Okay, now I don't care on ES that we came out with a trade too early. It just took a long time to make any profit. I want them again to prove they're going long, and then on some pullback we can jump in again. And as you can see, Nasdaq is stalling again. So I'll just get out.
Order filled.
Just because it's stalling. I'm fine, but I made again. Now we are 1017.5 points. Just looking at the markets, what they're doing. I don't want to just they don't want to go, they don't want to go. I cannot push them. I have no power in there, so pull out some profit and go. Wait for another trade.
Yeah, it's setting up.
Yeah, we'll set in a big time.
Yeah.
J&J.
T-Mobile, if I had more capital,
J&J is
would've been great, but-
setting up big time.
if I bought, well, options would have been a good idea for calls. Because I didn't have the capital to buy more.
Okay. T-Mobile is setting up to round 2, but J&J is setting up big time.
I mean, a call for T-Mobile for end of the week. Strike. Oh, this is J&J.
All right, we made a few trades for 41 minutes. We still made the 1,017 points, 0.5 to be exact. Looks like they wanna go long. Okay, on both on ES, overbought would be around 25.06. So by the time bar comes over there, about 25.10, that would be overbought zone for now. That means Nasdaq would be there too. And then we'll go from there. J&J is setting up for long. T-Mobile is, you said T-Mobile is long. Yeah, they're all setting up for longer, so.
Only 50 shares made $30 already.
Alright.
Yeah, imagine if it was, 500 shares. But that was pretty easy indication. Using 8,
Yeah.
20, and 200. That was a good buy.
Okay. Well guys, thank you for visiting us again. I got to go take care of some stuff. Everything looks long for now. As I said, watch out there on overbought territory on ES would be about 25.10 and Nasdaq would be in there too. So could be some pullback and go from there.
Yep, thanks for joining us on the show.
Alright, and then we'll
Looks
see,
pretty good.
yeah, we'll let you know how week gets with his J&J. For now he's down, but
Yeah.
it's around J&J setting up long.
It's coming back up,
Yes.
so a lot of
Yeah.
good information.
So he should be alright. There are days like this too, so we go from there, we just manage. Alright guys, take care, thanks for visiting us and we'll talk to you tomorrow.